Hey guys, what's going on? It's Steve Cronin. I'm here in Helsinki, Finland at the Cable Factory, which is the location for the Biohacker Summit. Biohacker Summit 2015. Earlier today, I sat down with Simon of Ambronite, this drink right here, to talk to him about this meal replacement drink and how it differs from Soylent, which is really popular in the US, where I live. So what I've been doing is actually, I'll show you that interview in just a second, but I got some of this drink and I'm gonna try it out, So this is actually the Ambronite with blueberries in it. You can see it's actually a darker blue-green color than the traditional Ambronite, which is more of a dark green color. So that explains the color difference there, but it's very dense. It's not really necessarily a liquid. It's more of like a frothy and grainy kind of swallow taste, as it were, a swallow sensation. So you actually get the grains, you can taste the plants and the whole foods all the way down. So maybe you need some water in between to kind of clear that up. But at the end of the day, guys, it is a whole food meal replacer that's different from Soylent, as Simon will point out in a minute here, because Soylent uses more of the synthetic stuff, while Ambronite tends to use, according to the company, more of the whole food stuff. That's it for now, guys. Hope you enjoy the interview.
So Ambronite is a drinkable meal out of real foods. It's nutritionally optimized food. We're on a mission to create the food of the future to help people thrive instead of survive. The main thing here is that we're not only bringing you some calories or some protein, but the whole spectrum. We fulfill the entire human nutrition recommendation by the FDA, by the European officials. So we have only over 50 nutrients coming from, for example, the low GI oats, which include beta-glucans, which are beneficial fibers that keep your blood sugar up and keep your blood sugar stable for 4 to 5 hours, which has been well scientifically documented. On the more exotic side, from the micronutrient side especially, what people would normally probably benefit from using, but probably won't end up using because of the hardship of getting them, would be like some of the herbs, such as stinging nettle, a very high quality of a sea buckthorn, which is an Arctic berry with vitamin C levels just through the roof, like immensely nutrient-dense stuff. We've even sent this stuff to a European Space Agency and NASA.
Oh, wow. Okay.
And so we're really looking at the most nutrient-dense ingredients in the world in a nutritionally optimized food that you can use every day. Our users include entrepreneurs like me, busy athletes, busy moms, really demanding people pushing their limits. So whenever you're in a hurry and don't have time to have a proper meal that would optimize your ability to concentrate on what you do, typically it's 1 to 3 times a day for our users. Ambronite is entirely based on real foods. We use the most nutrient-dense real foods in the world, such as organic oats, Arctic bilberries, really nutrient-dense nuts such as almonds, 18 ingredients in total, whereas Soylent and similar synthetic supplements are essentially based on synthetic ingredients. So it's a bit like comparing a vitamin pill to a blueberry.